2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.